Hello everyone, welcome to moderate level question number 8. It says Sandy, Brian and Hector can type 81,000 pages in 30 hours. Also, Sandy types as many pages more than Brian as Hector types as many pages more than Sandy. Now the number of pages typed by Brian is 3 in 3 hours is same as number of pages typed by Hector in 1 hour. Now how many pages are typed by Hector in 1 hour? The options are 185, 205, 135, 240, 195. Now what is the information given? It says that Sandy, Brian and Hector can type 81,000 pages in 30 hours. It also says Sandy types as many more pages than Brian as Hector types as many more pages than Sandy. The number of pages typed by Brian in 3 hours equal to number of pages typed by Hector in 1 hour. Now what do you have to find out? Number of pages typed by Hector in 1 hour. Now it is said that Sandy, Brian and Hector can type 81,000 pages in 30 hours. So it implies what? Sandy, Brian and Hector can type 270 pages in 1 hour. It is simple. What we are doing here, we are dividing 8100 by 30. Now let's assume the number of pages typed by Sandy is equal to x. So it implies what? The number of pages typed by Brian is equal to x minus d, since Brian types lesser pages than Sandy. So where d is some difference. Now Sandy types as many more pages than Brian as Hector types as many more pages than Sandy. It implies what? It implies that Sandy types d number of pages more than Brian, right? Now here we can see that Sandy types d number of pages more than Brian, right? So Sandy types d pages more than Brian is already given. And second thing is Hector types as many more pages than Sandy. Now the difference here is only d. So what will be the number of pages typed by Hector? X plus d, since d is the difference. So Hector types d pages more than Sandy implies the number of pages typed by Hector is equal to how much? X plus d. Now it is said, now we know that all three can type 270 pages in 1 hour, right? So it implies what? X minus d, that is of Brian, x by Sandy, x plus d by Hector. So all three together how much? 270. Implies d gets cancelled here. It implies 3x is equal to 270 and x is equal to 90. So where x is equal to number of pages by Sandy. So Sandy can type 90 pages in 1 hour. Now it is said that number of pages typed by Brian in 3 hours equal to number of pages typed by Hector in 1 hour, right? Here it is 1 hour. So implies what? In 1 hour Brian can type x minus d. So in 3 hours he can type 3 into x minus d. And similarly number of pages typed by Hector is equal to how much? In 1 hour x plus d. So these both are equal. Implies 3x minus 3d is equal to x plus d. Implies 2x is equal to 4d and x is equal to 2d. So from this we have calculated already x is equal to 90 in previous result. So d is equal to 90 by 2, which is equal to 45. So difference is 45 pages. Now number of pages typed by Hector is how much? In 1 hour x plus d, which is 90 plus d is equal to 45, which is equal to 135. So the answer is option C. Thank you.